Hi, welcome to BTH channel. You are trying to connect to a remote computer, but that computer is powered off. But luckily that computer is connected to the network by cable and is always connected to a power source. So, the next time you want to power on your remote computer via the internet, what do you need to do? As you can see, I solved that problem. And in this video I show you how to do it. First, you enable WOL LAN on Windows operating system. You select the Power Management tab and allow this device to wake the computer. Next, you enable WOL Magic Packet. There are two configurations to do on your router. The first configuration is to bind your computer's IP address and MAC address. That feature is often referred to as IP and MAC binding. And my computer's MAC address is D45D64F18675. As you can see, my PC's current IP address is 10.11.32.41. I will bind this IP address and MAC address together. With each type of router, there will be a different way of binding, but the purpose is completely the same. Please refer to the home page of the router manufacturer to know how to do it. After configuring it, don't forget to enable it. You need to write down the information about IP address, MAC address to use in the next steps. Having completed the IP and MAC binding configuration step, we will move on to the port forwarding step. For this example, I will forward port 9 to IP address 10.11.32.41. The protocol used is UDP. You adjust the IP address and MAC address to match your computer. Usually we use dynamic public IP address, so we need to use dynamic DNS. If you are lucky enough to be using a static public IP address, you can skip this step. There are many dynamic DNS service options for you to choose from. In this video I used DNS, it's free. Here I have created a domain name netvn.freeddns.org. I will use this domain to power on remote computer via internet. Next, you install the WOL Client to automatically update the dynamic public IP address. As you can see, my dynamic public IP address has been updated. By default, computer motherboards often turn off the WOL LAN feature, so we need to enable it. You restart the computer and repeatedly press the F2 or delete key to enter the BIOS or UEFI. Each type of motherboard has a different way of activating WOL LAN. You can refer to the motherboard manufacturer's homepage to know how to enable this feature. If your computer uses ASUS motherboard, please follow the same steps as me. So you have finished the configuration on the target computer. What to do with the remote computers? This part of the video will show you how to do that. You download Depicus WOL LAN app and unzip the downloaded file. To power on the target computer remotely via the internet, you need information including domain name, MAC address and port. You fill in the corresponding information in the app Depicus WOL LAN. Then press the wake up button. And almost immediately the target computer will be powered on. That's it. Good luck. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Since I have enabled the remote desktop feature, I can access the target computer and control it.